They possess ultimate power, freedom, and deep respect. They travel whenever they want and eat whatever they desire. But how did they build it? They built it by sacrifice, sleep, comfort, and escapes whenever else was partying. Stop blaming your past, your background, or your hard circumstance around you. Nobody is coming to save you, and nobody wastes you single thing. You have to grasp your destiny with your own hands and carve your name into history. Doubt is merely a test to see how badly you actually want your dreams. If you back down at the first signs of struggle, you never deserve success. Burn the ship behind you. Eliminate plan B and force yourself to dopamine. Your mind is either your strongest ally or your most dangerous enemy. Stop feeding it negative thoughts, laziness, feed it relentless focus, and an obsession for continuous self-improvement every single day. When your body tells you to stop, your mind must command it to keep moving forward. That extra hour of work when you are exhausted is what separates king from commoner. Push past your artificial limit and discover what you are truly made of. Consistency is quick key that unlock door strength alone cannot break. Doing the boring, unsexy work day, in and day out compound into unstoppable momentum. Trust the brilliant process even when you can't see the immediate result. People will doubt you, mock your ambition, and wait for you fail completely. Let either skepticism become the high octane fuel that power your silent objection. Let that skepticism become the high octane fuel that power your silent obsession. Your ultimate revenge will be your massive, undeniable, and overwhelming success. Look at every obstacle as a direct text to your character and religions. Smooth is never made a skilled sailor. Energy time never build strong men. Embrace the friction, love the struggle, and grow stronger through the choice. Wasting time is equivalent to borrowing your most precious resources on earth. Money can be lost and earned back, but a waste hour is gone forever to eternity. Into eternity. Treat your time like a gold and invest every second into your ultimate legacy. Stand tall, pull your shoulder back. You are equipped with 10 fingers, a working mind, and the exact same oxygen as legend. There is zero excuse for to settle for a mediocre existence. Whip away the self-pity and step into the area of total self-mastery. Rebuild your mind into an unbreakable fortress to fear through hardship or setback. Let your daily action speak louder than any loud words to empty promise ever could. Attack your target with relentless obsession, laser focus, and raw unstoppable energy. Wake up every morning with a boring mission that keeps you from staying in the bed. You are built for greatness, but only if you demand it from yourself. Make your future self proud of the difficult decision are you making right now. Turn your inner pain, rage, and disappointed into dangerous fuel for your grind. Work until your ideal become your peers and your rebel respect your name. Choose the sharp, temporary pain of absolute discipline over the permanent, crushing weight of regret. The clock is ticking continuously second by second without stopping for anyone. Wake up, lock in completely, and take control of your destiny today. Remember that you only get one shot at this life, so make it its thought eternity. Stand up, take action right now, and conquer the world. And if they see you, like, share, comment, and join the journey. And always take care. See you in the next video.